Hello everyone, this is Peter Online Computer Network Engineering Tutorial. I'm here to take you on how to troubleshoot a network problem. That is how to check and rectify a network problem if a particular computer failed to communicate with a server. For instance, this PC1 here failed to access the file server. Okay, there are 4 recommended troubleshooting steps you need to take, and these 4 recommended troubleshooting steps are from Cisco. They are called 4 Cisco, recommended troubleshooting steps. Because this PC1 failed to communicate with the server, you need to first of all, the first step is to ping the IP stack of this PC. Okay, every computer has this IP address. What you need to do, you need to go to the taskbar beside the start button. There is a search engine there. Just type command prompt. It will display, okay, in a black color, giving you this sign. Okay, what you need to do, you ping. Ping means packet internet grapper. Okay, you ping this IP address 127.0.0.1. Okay, this is a a diagnostic or loopback address, okay, which is the IP address of every computer, okay, every computer. So if this is successful, which means your IP stack is initialized and working properly, okay. If it fails, which means you need to uninstall the IP stack and restore the TCP/IP stack. Okay, I've taught you how to assign IP address, to a particular computer. So you go there, you will see TCP/IP. When you select the TCP/IP and click properties, the IP address, window or in graphic interface will appear where you can assign IP address. So that's TCP/IP. You need to uninstall it and reinstall if this fails. Okay, so the number 2 step is to ping this computer's IP address, the local IP. Ping it. Do you know what you're trying to do? You're trying to check if the network interface card is functioning. Okay, so what you need to do, you ping itself, ping 192.168.10.2. If this ping is successful, which means the network interface card NIC is working properly. Okay, so if it fails, which means the network interface card is bad and it needs to be removed and insert the good one. So let's assume that it's successful. The third step is to ping the default gateway of this computer, which is this IP address, to see if there is a connection from here to router. Okay, and which is this one here. You ping it. So if it is successful, which means there is a connection between here to here, everything is working properly. If it is not successful, which means there is a physical network problem from computer to here, which may be, this is the cable. This is an STP cable. Maybe the RJ45 did not plug into the port very well with this LAN, router's LAN interface. Maybe it's not properly plugged, or the network interface card. Yeah, remember, of course, this is properly plugged because you pinged it might not be properly plugged from here to here. So try to push the cables in. Okay, there might be partial contact. Okay, which is the number 3 troubleshooting step. If everything from 1 to 3 is successful, try pinging this server. When you ping the server and it's successful, okay, which means there is a kind of IP resolution problem, DNS problem. You need to check your settings or you come to this network. Of course, there are two LANs here. You need to come here and follow the 4 troubleshooting steps which you followed here, and repeat the same thing here. You must find out the problem. Okay? So that is it. If you like this video, do not hesitate to share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.